Hey Margaret, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department. Thank you so very much for your recent trip to the website looking for a very rare Civic we had available, that 2019 Honda Civic LX. Just want to take a moment to show you some of the standard features that come on that vehicle. This is a 2019 Civic LX as well. It's going to come decked out with the new model with all the Honda sensing suite of driver assist features standard. That's going to give you adaptive cruise, front collision braking, even a lane departure system, as well as class-leading fuel economy, space inside. This is a larger Honda Civic than we've ever had available here, and it is a phenomenal product. You're going to get backup camera again, which is going to be multi-angle. That Bluetooth will sync up all of your devices seamlessly, and it's a wonderful ride. The vehicle that you selected is at a very unique situation. We've got that thing priced to sell. I'm sure you saw the price online. I am so excited to show it to you. We have had a ton of interest on that vehicle, so time is of the essence. You got to call me today. 205-504-2358. Gina, my internet manager, said she's already been texting with you. We're going to be in the office until 8 today and 7 tomorrow, so please call or text me. Let me know a convenient time. I want to have that vehicle pulled up and waiting on you when you arrive. So again, Trent Tate with Tameron Honda. If I can make you one promise, you're going to love the way you're treated.